we leave. You ready? We gotta go get our haircuts.
Tomorrow.
No, we're getting our haircuts today.
Maybe tomorrow. By tomorrow.
No, you're not gonna get me. You better watch where you go looking at me. Let's go, Psycho.
Let's go, Psycho.
You're the Psycho.
Hello, Psycho.
Let's go.
I got the bag.
Alright, try not to run nobody over, okay? Let's go. So you negotiate this traffic, son. What happened? We're gonna go home, take the bike upstairs, then we're gonna come back downstairs, go to the barber shop and get our haircuts. Wow! Huh?
Let's take off my coat.
You wanna get your coat?
Let's take it off.
You wanna take off your coat? Now?
Yes.
What, you're hot?
Yes.
That's cause that workout. Pedaling. Pedal your little ass off. So you having fun with your bike? Look where you going. Of course.
The ground?
That's the dirt.
That's
So you like your bike?
Yes, I like